Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. I'm going to share everything that you need to know from prices, features, product codes, and launch dates. I'm going to put on the screen here. Just kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you all to stay tuned until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about leads about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, and comment on this video. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram accounts, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so for today we are going to discuss everything about the Men's Spring Summer 2025 collection that will be launching January 2nd, 2025. So the first one, we have the Shopper Tote Size MM. Price of this one is 3,700 USD. So the material is leather, color is green. So this is a Shopper's Tote style with detachable leather strap, as we could see here. Then another Shopper Tote size MM, so we have an all black. Price of this one is 3,700 USD. So material is all leather, color is noir, as we could see here. Everything is black, even the hardware, even the top handle, even detachable leather strap, and also the logo of LV. So this is very understated compared to the first one. I like this even better. Next, Shopper Tote Size MM. So this one is part of the soft leather goods. This one I super love. Price of this one is a little bit up there. That is 6,200 USD. And the reason for this one is because all of this one is made of soft leather goods or material. So this is the slouchy leather with the imprinted Louis Vuitton monograms. It is made to look like canvas, but everything is made of leather. Next, we have the Shopper Tote MM. Price of this one is 3,700 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. So the material is the LV Lovers, the May canvas, as we can see here. So this is the interior. It has a zippered pocket and it has detachable leather strap. It would also come with a bag tag, as we could see here, and it has the logo in front of LV. Next, we have Christopher Backpack MM. So let us discuss first all the Louis Vuitton Lovers, the May canvas pieces. So the price of this one is 3,100 euro. So this is the interior. So this is a backpack style. So the straps are non-detachable, so they are just fixed. But I do love the side pockets, and I do love the updated version of the May canvas. Next guys, we have a Never Ever Full, funny name. Price is 3,850 euros. So this is the men's version of the Never Full. So as you're going to see, I do love this even better because it comes with a zipper for security. For its closure, it comes of course with a detachable strap. So the main material is the Louis Vuitton Lovers, the May canvas. It would come of course with the cowhide leather trims. This one guys, super love. How beautiful is this Keepall 25? Price of this one is 3,450 euros. So main material, so again, this is not a monogram canvas, but it is part of the several soft leather goods. So this is made of soft slouchy leather that is made to look like monogram canvas. It has cowhide leather trims with detachable leather strap. Part of this one, we have the No Way Cargo. How cute is this No Way Cargo? So kindly don't confuse with the coated canvas. So this material is made of the cowhide, or rather the soft leather goods with cowhide leather trims. I love that it comes with top handle and of course detachable crossbody strap. I love the zippered pocket in front, very utilitarian. Next, we have the Amazon. Hopefully I am pronouncing that right. Price of this one is 3,700 USD. Still part of the Men's Spring Summer 2025 collection. Material is soft leather goods. So again, kindly don't confuse with the monogram canvas Amazon. So this is made entirely of 100% leather, gold hardware with non-detachable vachetta strap. Then guys, let us discuss all the Speedy P9s. First, we have the Speedy P9 size 30. Price of this one is 9,900 USD. So material is soft leather with cowhide leather trims, detachable pochette. I love that everything is matte black, from the hardware, from the bag tag, from the clochette, even the monogram are all black as well, very understated. Then of course we have the Speedy P9 size 50, so 50 centimeters across. Price of this one is 12,400 USD. So this is like maybe a Keepall version. So material is soft leather. Color, guys, kindly take note, is frozen lime. It comes of course with untreated vachetta leather. It would come with detachable pochette, bag tag, and key sets. Next on the Speedy, we have the Speedy P9 size 40. Price of this one is 11,100 USD. Material is the soft leather. Color is candy. It comes with detachable pochette. It would come with a bag tag, key clochette, and keys and padlock set. So this, as you're going to see, it comes with a very beautiful slouchy soft leather material. Next, Speedy. So we have Speedy P9 size 40. Price of this one is 11,100 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. So the color of this one is summer peach. Same thing, it would come with detachable pochette on the inside. So this is the interior. So once you open, it would come with bag tag, clochette, keys, padlock, and it will come of course with a detachable leather strap. Next, we have the Speedy P9 size 25. The size of this one is very, very cute. Color is lemonade. Price is 9,300 USD. So guys, this is the interior. As you're going to see, it comes with the metal plaque inside. I'm loving this size because as you can see, proportion to the bag tag and key clochettes. Next, Speedy P9 size 40. Price of this one is 11,100 USD. So this is like a nude version of the monogram Speedy because as you're going to see, it doesn't come with any Louis Vuitton monogram. So color of this one is like a cognac colorway with gold hardware. So it would also comes with the same feature, detachable pochette, detachable leather strap. Next, guys, we have the shopper clutch. Price of this one is 3,350 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU color is blue. So as you can see, it's like a boxy style clutch. So this is how you're going to open. So it comes with detachable crossbody strap as you can see. And of course, the launching of this one is January 2, 2025. Next, we have the Air Afrique Book Messenger. So price of this one is 3,400 USD. We have SKU here. So this is the interior. I love, of course, the classic monogram interior. So this is how it looks like. It looks like a book messenger bag style with detachable canvas strap. It loved the LV bag tag that it comes with. Next, going back to the soft leather goods, so we have the Monterey's cargo backpack. Price of this one is 5,450 USD. So this is the interior. Again, kindly don't confuse with the monogram version. So everything that you see here is made of the very beautiful soft leather that is printed with the Louis Vuitton monogram. Next, we have the Louis Vuitton binoculars. So if you are looking for an LV bag that is very unique, then definitely you need to check this out. Price of this one is 5,550 USD. So I'm not really sure that this is just meant for a Louis Vuitton binoculars. I feel that definitely you could wear this as an evening bag. Just put your lipstick, lip gloss, and keys and credit card. That's it. Then you would have a very fun, fabulous bag. Then going back to the Louis Vuitton lovers, the May canvas, we have Keepall size 50. Price of this one is 3,400 USD. We have SKU here. So this is the interior. So among this one, Keepall versus the Speedy P9. Of course, if I have the fonts, definitely I will just go for the Speedy P9s because I feel that is more exclusive, that is more collectible. Then we have the pocket organizer. Price of this one is 540 USD. Still from the Men's Spring Summer 2025 collection. Material is the Louis Vuitton the May canvas with cowhide leather interior as we can see here. Do love the updated version of the classic the May ebony canvas. Next we have the Port Cards double. So price of this one is 420 USD. material is the Louis Vuitton Lovers Dame canvas with cowhide leather interior. As we could see here, it has the writing in the leather part of the interior, of course. So this is a card holder that will be launching January 2nd, 2025. Then guys, we have the maxi trainer. Price of this one is 1,640 USD. Still launching, same date, January 2nd, 2025. So maybe if you are not a fan of the upcoming Murakami collection, then definitely check out. This is, guys, by the way, the collection of Pharrell that walked the runway at Paris Fashion Week. Next trainer, we have the all black trainer that is 1,280 USD. So as you can see, everything is black, everything is understated. Of course, since it's black, this everything would be hard wearing. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? And if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a flower emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!